Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me this graphic. I'm going to do it two different ways. They're wanting to go black, white, and green on the color. The picture's so bad here, I just thought it was three colors. And then I started looking at this one, and this was done a different way. So I'm going to do it two ways, and if it takes too long, I might make two uh, videos. So I'm going to go, I've grabbed my text. I'm going to go to text, fit text to path. And when you get that red line, that means it's in the center of the path. Now I need to go, and I'm going to go break the text apart. Let me zoom in here a little bit. I'm going to take this first circle, I'm going to Control D, and I'm going to go to, I'm holding down the Shift key so it'll grow from the inside. Now I'm going to take the Alt key. The Alt key will help you select those two objects. I'm going to go to Effects and Blend. I'm just going to blend them twice. That gave me my separation. Now I'm going to go to Object, break the four objects apart, and I'm going to get rid of my, you don't have to hit the calculator. I'm going to get rid of the inside and the outside. Well, sometimes it's still a group, so go and ungroup that, and then grab that inside line. Now I'm going to take my text, and I'm going to left click, right click. That's going to be my separation. Now I'm going to do the white first. Let me make it a orange, object, order, back a page. And now I'm going to get my Smart Fill tool, and I'm going to get the white first, and I'm going to fill that in with white. This is really pretty elementary. The other way, which I'm pretty sure will work, that might even look better, I'm going to make another part. Now I think we had black on the bottom. This is all that's to it. Just fill in those letters. This would be a sharper, crisper separation between the colors than the other way. And see, I've got a little bit of a leak there. The way to fix that leak, try it again. See, I got a leak. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take away that white. My calculator button is right near I'm going to fill this in with black first, and then I'm going to go ahead and do that while I'm here. Go ahead and get the white, and let's see if it didn't stop the leak, and it did. Now I'm going to get a green, so that's one way to fix that leak, because occasionally you'll have that. See, you got another leak. Hopefully we won't have another one. No, we got another one. So what I'm going to do now is take away the white, take away the white, and get back to the green. Sometimes you have to just do it in different orders. Now let's get back to the white. I'm just going back to the Smart Fill tool. Normally you're not going to have that. Let me try it one more time. You know what? I need to get rid of the black, maybe, and do, I don't know how I got a gray. Come on. Oh, I still had white. Okay. That's how to do it. Now take your Alt key and with your pick tool and slice through those two lines and hit delete. Yeah, I didn't fill that one in with white. I think I can still do it without, and it doesn't, I don't know why I care. There we go. Now, I can actually kind of see a line sometimes and not so much on these colors. And I'm going to work on a video on that. But I'm going to do part 2 and make it look like this. Anyway, I hope that helped. Thank you for watching.